Episode. I forgot what episode it is.
Save me!
Evil Luigi. Time to kill Luigi. Luigi's dead. We have freedom. Yay! Yay! Look at my awesome belt. That looks like a space. Looks like a planet. Looks like a planet. Cause you were born in space. Hey, backpack. Hey, Angry Bird. Angry Bird. Bluebird, Cattail, whoever that is here now. It's on the party. God, Philip, Shorty, let him in the party. Ha 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 ha. I'm here. No, I'm getting you. I'm here to spoil your episode. No. I'm indestructible. Hey, boo boo. Guys, put up shiny in the body. Put up the body. I don't know how to. I'm a hip hop dancer. I know how to do Rolex, and the Rolex dance.
Wait,
favorite song is. I don't know.
Pink W here.
Pink W? Yay! Get the off me. Yay! Piggy! Piggy! Mustard! Wendy!
Mushroom! Why?
I'm not a mushroom. I'm King Leonard, the king of Piggy Island. Ah, mushroom! Wait, I'm the mushroom. I eat myself since you called me a mushroom.
Yeah, whatever. I'll just be on your head.
Whee! I'm dead! That was the best episode we've ever had. Should we end the episode? Because I'm getting bored.
No, not right now.
What? Why do you and Pink Sea Wars have to be right with each other? Because
we don't hang out much.
Oh my god, if you want more videos with Pink Sea Wars in it, comment down below. Please say no, I beg you!
Wait, is that Bluebird?
Yeah, I'm Bluebird. God, Philip, Shorty, want them in the party.
If you make one more video of Pink Sea Wars, I am going to kill you. No, you won't.
No, she's lying, but comment down below for more P-Rapper videos. You guys shouldn't want more P-Rapper videos. The boy videos stink. I know. They stink. Yeah, because too much girls are in it. Yeah, but that's just how the acting is. But a few episodes don't even have girls in it. All episodes have at least one boy in it. And Chuck is being stupid and annoying. Yay! Oh my god, please.
Who's saying yay?
Cattail, of course. Oh. I'm gonna shake.
Why are you with the girls, Chuck? Hey, get over here. Get. No! I want to be with Pink Sea Wars. No!
That was strange. Yeah. Who's that? Oh, the baby giant cyclops.
Are you serious?
Boy, with the boys.
Man, what? Where's that Luigi guy?
We see the giant maniac. Cyclops, I meant. We should call him Maniac now. Comment if you love the giant Cyclops. Should we call him Giant Cyclops or Maniac?
Oh, Cyclops.
And the baby Maniac.
Yeah, Cyclops are actually maniacs too.
Basically.
Wait, where's Luigi robot?
The Luigi robot is far away over there. Yeah, time to party. God, pup, sorry, man. I don't know how to sing the song. I know a few words. Time to party all day. Okay, so yeah, just me and Action Red hanging out. Literally, it's just us.
Wait, how long has the video been?
It's almost 5 minutes.
Okay, Then let's make it even longer.
No, let's end it now. I feel I'm kind of bored. Oh no! Look at the weirdos are coming.
Hey, shut up.
What? Why does Charlie Brown and Violet always date?
We're best friends.
You guys have been dating for years. The first info I've seen that one was Mommy Paula Belknap. Cause someone, I don't know how it was named. I think it was Mommy Paula Belknap. Yeah. Yeah! Why did Harley Octopus come and attack us from the Cobb Squad? Which is basically a Paula Belknap playing Suicide Squad, but not as inappropriate.
I ain't Mr. Chip.
Who's Mr. Chip? Why is everyone coming over here? Who the heck is he? Okay, guys, I think we should end it now.
No!
This is getting weird. Why is everyone coming? Okay, bye. That's about it for Angry Toons.